Me gente, I'm fucking pumped, baby. That's right. What a fucking productive day. Listen, I'm super excited. I have a lot of energy. And guys, let me tell you, it ain't Viagra, but I will tell you this. Guys, we did several calls today, and it's a team effort. First call. I fucking got so much I'm being all gibberish. But the first call was a bad, well, it wasn't a bad thermostat. It was wired incorrectly. So they just bought the house. They bought a foreclosed house. And, you know, somebody jury-rigged it. And they got it to go supposedly to pass the inspection. And sure enough, the hot day came. They turned it on. The shit ain't working. I go out there. Boom. 1, 2, 3, baby. I figure it out. Listen, thermostat is wired incorrectly. Another problem was the condenser is freaking filthy and has never been cleaned. Guys, that's what I tell you guys. Maintenance. Because I'm going to be the boogeyman if I come and get you and I tell you, listen, you need to do the maintenance and it's going to cost you. And it is going to cost you. Not it's going to cost you to pay me. It's going to cost you in the pockets, baby. Because, listen, I'm sure you work hard to, you know, for your money. You work hard, right? So I don't want you to go crazy. I don't want you to call me for just a fucking minute. Call me when the real problems happen. So we took care of that. What's the next one?
Back blower motor.
Huh?
The rare back blower motor.
Oh, that's right. Thank you, Ricky, for reminding me. Listen, it's been a crazy day. It's around 9 o'clock right now. The second job was a bad blower motor. No, I'm sorry. It was a bad condenser motor. That's what it was. It wasn't a blower motor. Listen. 10 o'clock at night, what can you expect? But a condenser motor, we had to send somebody all the way to freaking like Islandia. That's just like maybe like an hour going, hour back. But guys, it's a team effort. So he went to go get the motor. He also went to get a compressor we're about to do on Thursday. Guys, it doesn't stop, baby. It's cooling season. It's at that time to make money, papa. What else? Oh, we have another one. What was the third one?
Back blower motor in the attic.
Oh, that's right. Ricky, Ricky's on point today, man. He got me all pumped up. We had the third call was we had a bad indoor blower motor. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it right then and there because it's an ECM motor. I don't have it in stock. And of course, those ECM motors are very expensive. So we have to get them. But we'll get it tomorrow. It's no problem. But the good thing is, guys, listen, it was a very productive day. What I mean by productive, I got jobs done. We got things set up for the next couple of days. I'm fucking wheeling and dealing. I'm doing customer service. Ricky's doing customer service. My mom is doing customer service. My helper, one of them, listen, go fuck himself. He quit because he can't handle the heat. It's okay. But you know what? My other helper got into the fucking seat. He filled in, and he got the job done too. And you know what? I will give him a big shout out to Kevin. Kevin, if you're watching, a big shout out to him. Because listen, you know what? I give him a lot of kudos, and you got to give respect when respect is due. Why? Because he's still learning. He's just new to me, not even a year. However, listen, he has to sit down in the hot seat. He got down and busy. I told him, bro, this ain't for anybody. It's not for everybody. Why? Because everybody go, oh, it's too hot. I can't deal with the heat. I don't got time for mariconada. I'm telling you, listen, either you can do it or not. This shit ain't for everybody. So, guys, this is what it is. Are you ready, baby? Listen, it's 4th of July weekend, so if you need air conditioning, papa, I'm ready. But that's right. It comes with a price, puppy, because don't think that because you're having a barbecue and you have no air conditioning and I'm going to do it for the same price. It's 4th of July weekend. It's long weekend. So, guess what? Take out those wallets because, hey, you want the best, you got to pay for the best. You want cheap, you go to Home Depot parking lot right up the block, and you can ask any burro you want, small, medium, large, and they can fuck up your system, and then you can call me back, and I'm going to charge you more. You don't want that. So I'm letting you know. So guys, stay tuned, baby. We got more content coming your way. Listen, I'm excited, baby. Woo!